Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're talking about the Detail Factory pet hair remover line. If you have pet hair all over your couches, all over your carpets, in your cars, in your RVs, you've got a tool now that makes it super simple, super easy, and very effective. So you've got the brush, you've got the rake, and you've got the card. All three are designed for any type of surface. All three are going to be very safe on all fabrics, and they're going to be able to remove almost all your dog and cat hair that you find very quickly, very efficiently to be able to be sucked up by your vacuum. So whether you're buying these for your home, your RV, or your detail shop, you're going to find that any one of them work great on all types of surfaces and in all types of situations. So there you have it, the Detail Factory pet hair removal line. Try it out today, see which one works for you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.